Okay, good day everyone. So I am RLG Bagot from PS Cream 3 Charlie. So today I am going to recite the 10 commandments of safety driving as a driver. So first, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second, I will not pass without care on curbs nor hills, nor the views is unseen by my eyes. So third, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. 5. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speeds at schools, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will not slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. And last, number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. So that's all the 10 commandments of a safety driving. So next, the 10 commandments of self-traveler. So first, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. 5. Thou shalt not buckle up thy kids. 6. Thou shalt not drive on thy right. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. So that's all the self-traveler 10 commandments. So next, I proceed the self-clearance 10 commandments. So first, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third, prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up in the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. So the philosophy of Pinoy drivers: first come, first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders. So that's all everyone. Thank you and God bless.